Set down 2 main supports. Then fit 2 ballast supports into the slots of the main supports. Ensure the ballast support angle tabs are fully inserted into the slots before tightening. Torque the 4 1/4-inch bolts to 84 inch-pounds. If using the roof pads, attach them to the bottom of the main supports. Install a weeb grounding clip on each mounting plate. Then loosely place the module clamp on each mounting plate by engaging the first few threads of the bolt. Locate the southern edge of the array and chalk a straight line from east to west for your baseline. Then locate the center of the baseline and chalk a perpendicular line north and south for your center line. Create a story stick, the length of your module plus 3/8 of an inch to use as a spacing reference. From the center line, place a mark on the baseline the length of your module plus 3/8 of an inch. Continue marking at the same distance from the prior mark until you reach the ends of your baseline. At the last baseline mark, measure back 16 inches towards the center line. Place each ballast tray by aligning the center notch on the ballast support angles to the mark on the baseline. Place 1 full ballast block in each ballast tray to secure it in place. Place the next row of ballast trays approximately 1 module width north of the first row. Starting from the center of the baseline, place the first module into the corresponding module clamps, with the end of the module placed 12 inches from the center of the module clamp. While tightening the module clamp bolt, use one hand to pull the underside of the module snug, making sure that the module frame is totally engaged into the clamp and sitting on top of the weeb clip. Adjust the trays as needed and tighten the module clamps to 120 inch-pounds of torque. Repeat placing modules until an entire row of modules is installed. Use the provided spacer jig to keep 3/8 of an inch spacing between the module frames. Make sure row is straight and true on the baseline and centered on the center line. It is recommended at this time to perform the module-to-module wiring as needed for your project. IronRidge provides wire clips as an option to manage the wiring under the modules. Starting at one end of the row, place the first wind deflector into the ballast trays and secure it with the flange nuts provided. Torque the flange nuts to 84 inch-pounds of torque. Place each following deflector overlapping the previous deflector while continuing down the row. Install the 2 1/4-inch tech screws using the pre-drilled pilot holes and tighten until snug. Place ballast blocks as required per engineered drawings. Be sure to use an industrial adhesive between ballast blocks when stacking 2 or more layers. Make any adjustments needed and continue the next row. Repeat the process working north until the entire array is complete. Thanks for watching. Check our website for more videos and in-depth training sessions.